Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Imran Ali and you are watching my YouTube civil engineering channel. Today I will teach you how to make an estimate of 1000 square foot house with RCC frame structure. Guys, today's topic is very important. If you are planning to construct a house, then you must know total budget required till completion of the house. Any miscalculation may occur hurdles or losses in the smooth progress of your house construction. Important thing to be noted about today's estimate is it is based upon material rates of 2022. As you know, prices of construction materials are sky high in Pakistan due to inflation. Therefore, later on, you can update prices in this estimate according to your area and time in the future. Now guys, before proceed to the computer screen, you are requested to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and must press bell icon so that you will get updated with my new videos. Let's go to the computer screen. So guys, this is civil engineering chapter number 2 estimation. Today in this chapter we are going to start our lesson number 1, how to make an estimate for construction of 1000 square feet house. Today in this lesson we will cover two topics. Number 1, quantity of raw material required, total and per square feet for construction of house. Number 2, total estimate of construction and per square feet cost with material. Summary of quantities of materials. Guys, on the basis of our experience as a civil engineer, we know some thumb rules about consumption of construction materials required per square feet in house construction. Number 1, cement. According to thumb rule, we need 0.45 bag per square feet. For 1000 square feet, we will need 450 bags. Number 2, steel. We need 4 kg per square feet. For 1000 square feet, we will need 4000 kg. Number 3, sand A+. 1.84 sqft per square feet. For 1000 square feet, we will need 1840 CFT. Number 4, aggregate or crush. We need 1.38 CFT per square feet. For 1000 square feet, we will need 1380 CFT. Number 5, bricks. Number 1 or oval class. We need 9.5 bricks per CFT. For 1000 square feet, we will need 9500 bricks. Number 6, tiles. We need 0.74 square feet tiles per square feet. For 1000 square feet, we will need 740 square feet. Number 7, paint. For 1000 square feet, we will need 140 liters of the paint. Now come to the abstract of cost or estimation for RCC house A plus finished. Guys, I have collected these material rates today at 7th of August 2022 and the currency is Pak rupees. Number 1, total quantity of cement is 450 bags and rate of one bag of 50 kg is 1030 rupees, which will cost you 4,63,500 rupees. Number 2, quantity of steel is 4000 kg at the rate of 236 rupees per kg, which will cost you 9,44,000 rupees. Number 3, total quantity of sand is 1840 cft at the rate of 65.60 rupees per cft, which will cost you 1,20,704 rupees. Number 3, total quantity of aggregate or crush is 1380 cft at the rate of 142 rupees, which will cost you 1,95,960 rupees. Number 5, total quantity of bricks is 9,500 numbers at the rate of 16.50, which will cost you 1,56,750 rupees. Number 6, tiles. Total quantity of tiles required is 740 square feet at the rate of 200 per square feet, which will cost you 1,48,000 rupees. Number 7, total quantity of paint required is 140 liters at the rate of 364 rupees per liter. Paint will cost you 50,960 rupees. Number 8, wooden doors with iron frame and cabinets. This will cost you at the rate of 160 rupees per square feet. Total cost will be 1,60,000 rupees. Number 9, aluminium windows, which will cost you at the rate of 100 rupees for 1000 square feet. It will cost you 1 lakh rupees. Guys, number 10 is kitchen. It is a furnished kitchen inclusive of marble slab, stove, hood, UV sheets, glass and labor. This kitchen will cost you 95,000. Number 11, plumbing work with material will cost you at the rate of rupees 200 for 1000 square feet. It will cost you rupees 2 lakh. Number 12, electrical work with material will cost you at the rate of rupees 170. For 1000 square feet, it will cost you 1,70,000. Number 13, labor for steel fixing will cost you at the rate of 30 rupees per square feet, which will cost you 35,000 for 1000 square feet. Number 14, labor contractor will cost you at the rate of 400 per square feet, which will cost you for 1000 square feet 4 lakh rupees. Number 15, architecture fee. Architecture will cost you at the rate of 50 rupees per square feet. For 1000 rupees, he will cost you around 50,000 rupees. Total cost of 1000 square feet house will be equal to Pak rupees 32 lakh 89,874. Now guys, if you want to know cost per square feet, you simply have to divide total cost by 1000 will equals to 3289. You can say 3300 Pak rupees. Furthermore, whatever is the total area of your house, you have to multiply total square feet with 3300. You will come to know total estimate for the construction of your house. This will be a single story house. For double story house, you have to add covered area of first floor in total area of your house. I hope this will be an informative video for you. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and must press bell icon to get updated with my new videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.